everybody, welcome back to the Weekend Grill. Today we're going to be making life-changing spicy skewered chicken. By now I'm sure most of you have heard of Nashville Hot Chicken. If you haven't heard of Nashville Hot Chicken, I don't know where you've been. Go out, give some a try. What we're going to do today is we're going to take Nashville Hot Chicken and put a Mediterranean flair. Instead of battering and deep frying the chicken, we're going to marinate it, skewer it, and grill it over an open fire. Let's go. For the meat, I like to use chicken thighs. I think the meat comes out a little bit more juicy than the chicken breast, but feel free to use chicken breast if you don't have the thighs. I've done it. It comes out fantastic regardless. I like to cut the chicken thighs into equal and smaller pieces. When we put them on the skewers, they're gonna cook a lot more evenly. After we cut up our chicken, we're gonna make our marinade. For our marinade, we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Now the cayenne, you could go more or less depending on how spicy you want the chicken. I'm doing 1 tablespoon here for about 3.5 pounds of chicken. We're also gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, about half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of sugar. So we're going to be adding all the dry ingredients into the bowl. To our dry ingredients, we're going to add a juice of a whole lemon, your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Louisianan. We're also going to be adding half a cup of yogurt and olive oil. So we're also getting garlic and a handful of onions. We're also going to be adding our chicken back in. We're gonna mix and work that marinade into the meat, and we're gonna let this rest in the fridge overnight. I would say if you wanna make it same day, at least 4 to 6 hours is minimum for the marinade, but overnight works best. Time to give this thing a try. It has been in the fridge marinating overnight. Today we skewered these and we cooked them right on the grill, right over here, right on the open fire. First, let's try it on its own. Wow. Wow. It doesn't feel like Nashville hot chicken. You definitely get the spice. You get the cayenne pepper coming through. But I think the fact that we had the onions in the marinade, it was marinating with a lot of diced onions and these sliced onions. You get that onion flavor. It gives more of that Mediterranean vibe. Some of that, the hot sauce is also coming through, but it's a nice blend. Like the flavors mesh together really well. This is a fantastic chicken. Wow. So juicy and soft. It's hard to describe what it tastes like because you're getting like this well-balanced flavor. You get some of that chili powder coming in, you get some of that garlic. I mean, one thing I would say is you absolutely have to give this one a try. Make it at your next barbecue, at the next get-together, or make it for yourself. I guarantee you everyone's gonna love this. Absolutely phenomenal. This thing's amazing. Let me have it the Armenian way. Put some onions. Grab a piece of this chicken. Make a little sandwich. All right. Cheers, everybody. Oh my God. Absolutely delicious. Well, that's it for us. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below.
Food is about having a good time.
This is what it's all about. It's all about having fun in the backyard.
Exactly.
That's what the weekend grill
I feel like
about.
I can make some damage wielding this.